Now, this is the ZK access control biometric. It has 3 capacities. You can use fingerprint, you can use password, and you can use RFID card. And I'll show you all the 3 means of logging in. First of all, we start with biometric. So you can put your fingerprint like this.
Thank you.
The door opens. Yeah. Then you get in. Inside here we have a reader that we use for going out. So I'm going to close the door. Then I'm going to use my fingerprint again to exit.
Thank you.
That's type 1 of entry, which is biometric. Now, type 2, which we have already enrolled, is through the RFID card. So you just come and place your RFID card here.
Thank you.
Then the door opens. Same case. Close the door. Yeah. Then from inside.
Thank you.
The third way is through the key, whereby you put an access key on the key switch like this. Then you disable the magnetic lock over there. As you can see, when you put it on, the mag lock is on. You see, the status changes. And like that, you don't have, you can open it. Then you can switch it back on, like that. Then you can close the door.